What is this? Blizzard warning!
The following is a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service.
First time I've ever caught one of these.
The following counties in Illinois: Carroll and Whiteside. West for the winter storm warning: heavy snow. Additional snow accumulations of 3 to 6 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. For the blizzard warning: blizzard conditions expected with snow and blowing snow tonight and Saturday morning. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour by tonight. For the wind to watch: dangerously cold wind chills possible. Wind chills as low as 40 below zero. Where? Portions of northwest Illinois and east central and northeast Iowa. When? For the winter storm warning, until 5 p.m. this afternoon. For the blizzard warning, from 5 p.m. this afternoon to noon Saturday. For the wind to watch, from Saturday evening through Tuesday morning. Impacts: travel will be very difficult and dangerous. The hazardous conditions will impact the evening commute. Blowing and drinking snow tonight and Saturday morning will likely result in near blizzard conditions. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches, which could lead to isolated power outages. For later this weekend into early next week, dangerously cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. Additional details: this evening, much colder and moves in which could result in a flash freeze on roadways. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Here is your forecast for Dixon and surrounding.
Wow, so hang on. These two did not go off for some reason. I think that one did. These two did. I know that one did. So hang on, let's see why.
Temperatures in the lower 30s. Northeast winds 10 to 20.
No reason why this shouldn't have gone off. This one didn't go off. I didn't switch it on. So, wow. That is the first time I have ever caught a blizzard warning. And no, I'm not getting back into EAS. This is a one-off.